Hi everyone, I'm glad to welcome you at Best Gadgets again and to share the latest news about exciting innovations. So let's get started. Gadgets users quite commonly think of Nokia devices as of almost the only Windows OS featuring smartphones. Well, it's quite natural, especially if we consider the fact that Nokia is step-by-step passing into Microsoft, the producer of this operating system. But the situation has recently undergone some changes. In particular, we can see other popular brands launching their smartphones with Windows OS on board. So today we are going to review one of such devices. Let's see how good it is. Prestigio, the fast-growing international brand mostly active across the Eastern Europe, Middle East and Africa region, quite recently set out to produce the Windows Phone-based mobile devices. This is how we got two new Prestigio smartphones. This time, we'll focus on the Multiphone 8500 Duo just because it is more capable. It's Prestigio's traditional dual SIM model built on Qualcomm quad-core processor. An installed RAM size is 1 gig, so the storage capacity is pretty good, given that unlike the Android, the Windows Phone generally economizes memory. Internal memory of 8 gigs can be increased by means of the expandable memory card. Yes, lucky we are! Microsoft is ready to give us this incredible opportunity from now. Let's switch our attention to other features. The Multiphone 8500 Duo 5-inch display is Gorilla Glass protected. The resolution is not that high, 720 by 1280, but we should admit that it is all sufficient for the Windows Phone interface, even after it has got the third column of the live tiles. Windows Phone OS is also battery-friendly, so 2000 mAh battery is quite sufficient. What else is special? The smartphone is pretty slim for a dual SIM device. Plus, it comes equipped with 8-megapixel camera and 2-megapixel front camera. It goes without saying that one of the Multiphone's key features is its operating system, Windows Mobile 8.1. It's the most current version of this mobile OS, by the way. It has some exciting changes as compared to the previous one. Why don't we use the opportunity to take a closer look at them? As we've already told you, the desktop has got the new live tiles arrangement. 3 columns pattern lets you see more apps on the start screen together. And more, you can rearrange the icons to be 6 in a row if you wish. The theme color of the start screen can be changed, and in addition, now you can scan the live tiles with a background image. It might be any image you like, something special from your gallery, for instance, or whatever. It looks funny. Some tiles are becoming transparent and you can see your background images slightly moving up and down while scrolling. Here comes another new feature which is, however, well known to the users of other operating systems. A top pull-down menu which gives you a quick access to the key settings, like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and airplane mode activating, as well as brightness and screen rotation adjustment. By just pulling down from the top, you can also get to your notifications. It's a standard decision for the modern smartphones, and it's cool that the Windows Phone OS current version is now featuring this popular user-friendly design. Microsoft has improved the keyboard. Lovely, lovely, lovely! So now Windows Phone devices users can enjoy a new word flow keyboard. It is similar to Android's swipe keyboard option, and thus it supports entering separate words by sliding a finger from the initial letter of the word to its last letter. It's really handy! And here is one more improvement. The volume of the calls, media files and apps can be set separately from now. But wait a minute, you might have gotten an impression that the Windows Phone current version is just now better than the adoption of the competitors' long-held innovations. Fortunately, it is not so. We will show you some really groundbreaking functions which might give you a good reason to think of Multiphone 8500 Duo as if your new device. Well, we believe that the coolest innovation of the Windows Phone 8.1 is Wi-Fi Sense. With its help, you can easily connect to any new unknown network if anyone from your contact list or any Facebook friend got connected to it earlier. Plus, Wi-Fi Sense can automatically share Wi-Fi networks with your contacts. It will make life easier for your friends and they will surely appreciate it. Having said that, it is not a magic. It's a modern technology, so it will work only if your friends and you are using Windows Phone 8.1 devices and Wi-Fi Sense. By tapping this section of settings, you can get the current map of the local open Wi-Fi networks. One more killer feature of the Windows Phone current version is its great backup service. Using some efforts and the advantages of OneDrive cloud storage, you can create a backup of the stuff you don't want to be lost. So you can back up your text messages, the passwords for your accounts, installed apps, pictures, the start screen layout and theme color, and other useful things. You can even restore your games along with the completed levels, but only those games which are Windows Phone 8.1 updated, of course. We are not ready to say who will benefit from this cooperation more. It might be either Prestigio or Microsoft, the Windows developer. Actually, it doesn't matter much from the user's angle. The most important thing that now we have one more pretty exciting budget-friendly device, and so we can benefit from even a wider selection of the modern smartphones.